Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a thrifted item. So come on with me, guys. Now, I'm going to be showing you how I use this vase that I thrifted from the Goodwill as a centerpiece for a small table. So I'm like really excited. Okay, so this video is a part of a collaboration called Thrifted Thursday. And this is being hosted by Joanna's DIY Life and Sabrina's Craft Nanigans. I hope I got that right. Okay, so I'm going to wind up leaving you to a little bit of music so that you guys can enjoy the video. I love working with flat back pearls, and I had purchased these pearls, I believe it was either Michael's or Walmart. I'm not sure. But I thought it would be really nice just to embellish a little bit of the bottom of this vase. And what's interesting about this vase is the shape. Now it is more square, but it kind of flares in certain areas. That's hard to describe. But how I chose to reveal this is where the surprise is going to come in. So we're going to use some hot glue to get those flat back pearls on there. And once again, I'm going to leave you to some music so that you can enjoy the video. I'm going to come in and out as I need to, and I'll see you at the end. Now here I'm using a pick that has like a wax end, and this helps me to pick up the pearls. Now doesn't sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Gives me a little bit of a hard time. But you can basically design this exactly the way that you would like. I chose to show more of the vase and less of the pearls. I am loving the totally white pearls. And so I just decided to line the top with one row of pearls and then the bottom with a couple of rows of pearls. And that was simple enough that sometimes little is more. And so I'm really happy with this piece. Okay, so we are done embellishing with these pearls, and I think this vase came out absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna head on over to the reveal so that you can see how I displayed this. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? I hope you agree. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.